Hey everybody, a lot of you are getting this error with your profiles. What it is the existing surface has errors on it. So it means that the 10 wasn't created exactly true to the surface. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the surface properties, whatever you've named it, and I'm going to change to contours and triangles just to show you what's going on. So all of these are errors. These are bad values. And what that means is it's got a negative value in it. And actually what it's corresponding to is your contours. Let me turn on all the layers. So let me turn that on. So let me change this back to, I'm going to change it to no show for right now. Apply. So what I want to do is these elevations are actually polylines and they've got negative values. So when y'all created the surface, it's got negative values in it. So I'm going to lay ISO, and I'm going to isolate the layer. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to select just the ones that are basically look like text, but they're not text. They're actually polylines that have elevations on them. So I'm going to delete these out. And I'm only going to delete the ones that are acting like numbers. So let me get rid of these. So all of these have a negative elevation on them. That's what's giving you the bad data. So as soon as I fix this, as soon as I delete them, and I'm just hitting the delete button, getting rid of them, I'm going to type in lay on ISO, bring everything back. I'm going to make sure you rebuild this until that symbol goes away, and I'm going to go edit surface style. And now I'm going to go triangles and contours. So now you don't have that. It doesn't have those deep holes in them. Okay, and when you go, you can still see them over here because I didn't delete all those. So now when you look at your profile, it doesn't have that deep hole in it. So now what you want to do is you're going to click on your profile, right click, profile view properties, and you're going to go elevation, and you're going to change that to, let's say 68. You can always, whoop, not 8. 68. You can always change it later. For example, I just did. Okay. You also don't need, you'll actually need to change it when you go to put your pipes in to get the pipes underneath there. You don't need this also. So I'm going to go ahead and change this, edit profile, not style, profile view properties, and I'm going to change that to 64, apply, and okay, and that should be deep enough. Okay, so now you are ready. Like I said, you don't need these. You will on the proposed, but you do not need them on the existing. And then go ahead and change that to existing profile. All right. Okay. If you have, it looks like there's multiple ones here. When I look at an alignment for the profile, I believe this is profile row D, and I look at your profile views, there's two of them already here, and they're both the existing surface, like it was done twice. So I'm going to delete the bottom one. And there you go. Because you don't want two existing surfaces, or yeah, existing surfaces. You want a proposed surface. Same thing probably with row B. So I'm going to delete the bottom one. All right, and then I'm going to change that style to existing. All right, so no problem if it happens, you're set. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know.